Welcome to Watchword, Avrio's training platform for law enforcement and military tutorial videos. We're going to discuss some quick tips for getting started on the active shooter application. To get started, you can create a 3D OBJ file using an applications like Polycam or 3D Scanner app. Alternatively, if you already have a digital file, you can send it directly to the email address given to you when you enrolled. Open the app on your phone or tablet. From there you will select Room or Room Plan. This will create a low-poly blueprint of your space. It's very important you select Room or Room Plan so the file can upload correctly. Once you select Room Plan, click on the red button to see your room take shape. Walk around slowly, making sure to scan the corners, windows, and doors. If the app misses an object, try to place an item like a notebook on top and walk over the area again. The app will prompt you if you are too close or walking too fast for it to record the space. The app will highlight corners in your space as well as identify furniture. The app will remove people, pets, and small items in the space so you do not need to have the room empty to make a scan. Make sure you have mapped all of the walls before you end the recording, going over any areas that you have missed. You can also scan whole building floors and large areas. It takes about 8 minutes for a 1,200 square foot space. Once you have a scan of an area, you can create as many drills as you want. When you are satisfied with the digital scan, hit the red record button again. Then click on Share or Export and select OBJ. Enter the name of the building location in the subject line. This will be the name you will see in your instructor app. From here you will email the file directly to your private client email. In a few minutes you should see the digital twin of your building. You are now ready to start creating scenes in your digital space. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to email info@avrioanalytics.com. Stay tuned for the next tutorial video, Creating a Scene.